Hey guys, Matt.
Andrew.
IronTrap Garage, and today should be Black Friday, and what most people are doing on Black Friday is spending a lot of their money and shopping, or their wife or significant other is, and today what we're going to do is not make you spend money. We're going to give stuff away. So we did this last year. Our channel's definitely grown substantially since we did it last year. But what I did last year is I did a giveaway of 3 different prize packs. That's basically just a thank you to everybody that watches all of our videos. I don't want anything. I'll say it a million times this channel. I don't ask for your money. I don't want anything. We just ask that you guys watch our videos and comment and just support us that way. So what we're doing for Christmas this year is today's Black Friday. So what we need you to do is, after you watch the video and get all psyched about the cool stuff you're going to get, comment down below with what your favorite episode or project was over the past year, and that you want to be entered for the prize. And what we're going to do is then on Christmas Day, we're going to put out a video announcing the winners. And you guys need to watch the video, and we're going to give you till January 1st to get back in contact with us. So make sure you guys have your bell icon on and you are watching the comments, because we will respond to your comment telling you that you're a winner and with our email address, and you need to email us by January 1st to claim your prize. And if you don't, we're going to go to like the second or third person behind you, which we will announce also on that same day. So prizes. Number 3, third prize, a little prize pack we put together of kind of neat stuff. So what do we have, Andrew?
We have 1939 Ford Home Almanac. We have an oil can rack, a Quaker State oil can full of oil.
Yeah, you can use that oil.
Yeah, brand new. We have a brand new fuel pressure regulator and 3 gauges with a chrome 3-gauge panel.
So that stuff I thought was a nice mix of it, whether you're building cars or you just want cool stuff to set on your shelf. There is some useful stuff there, and then there's also some neat stuff. A really neat thing about that home almanac, it's from, I think it was given out in 1938, possibly, World's Fair, I'm not sure, but it is a 1939 Ford sponsored home almanac, which is really cool, and it has the Ford manila envelope that it actually slides in. I've had that thing for years. We're giving that as a just in honor of the 39 Forgotten Hot Rod that we're building. I thought that would be pretty cool. So that is third place. Oh, also t-shirt.
Yep.
You get a t-shirt. So you get an IronTrap t-shirt, and then we're throwing in stickers as well. Mike will probably throw a couple stickers in for you with that, or me, depends who ships it. So second place. Second place looks like we have another IronTrap t-shirt. And what else? We got some Pontiac taillights with blue dots. Now one lens, I'm going to be honest, does have a little crack in it, but you can barely see it. It's not falling apart. Totally would work on a hot rod. They're already, came off an old hot rod, so you basically can just wire them up and use them. What is that, Texaco?
Yeah, Texaco.
Yeah, we got a Texaco like grease or oil can. It's pretty cool for the shelf. We have this really cool, I don't even know where I got it. We found it when we were digging for stuff, but it's a vintage fuel pressure regulator that drops it down to 3 psi, and it has this little green glass sediment bowl, which is really cool. So that's a little inline piece. I thought that's something that's pretty neat you could put on your car. I haven't seen it with the green, and it's the company is from Los Angeles, California, so that's kind of neat. And we got the vintage gauge panel there, which is pretty cool. And then kind of the really cool part of this is a vintage Hallcraft boat gas pedal. So I bought this actually at Turlock. I think I paid like 75 bucks or something for it. I don't know. But I thought it was pretty cool. I couldn't find a use for what I wanted to use it on. Andrew kind of wants it for his car after I pulled it out, but he can't win. But one of you guys can. So that's a really neat boat pedal. You could put it on your shelf. What would be really better if you put it in a project car, especially like a gasser or something, would be a really cool one.
That's what I was.
So that is second place prize, and again, t-shirts, stickers, all that stuff. First place, I know you guys would be psyched about first place because I'm freaking psyched. So, t-shirt, stickers, probably don't care at this point about that. A little F100 or F1 gauge panel that's really cool with the pickup panel. It has little stars in it. Super cool. I think Brian Bass used it in one of his builds years ago, and they kind of got popular, but I had a couple of them laying around. They're really neat to cut up and put into an old hot rod dash. They fit like a 32 dash pretty well, so that's something that's would be cool in a build. We got an old rugby oil can that's actually full with oil, so that's kind of cool. You can use the oil, display the can. Brand new Eastwood Pro flaring tool. So you guys know that we use the Pro flaring tool in like every one of our brake and fuel line videos. We use that, and we always get comments of guys saying that they would love to have one, or they have one and they love it. So I'm going to throw in a brand new one of those. So that's a Pro flaring tool. So definitely, you guys, Eastwood supports us, and it does a great thing for us. Let us use their tools, and we want you guys to support them. So definitely go to their website, check out some of the great deals they have for the holidays. So that's the Pro flaring tool. Last thing, you guys know I love like 32 grills and 32 to 34 pickup grills. This pains me, but I haven't I haven't hung it up yet. So this is a I think it's a 33 pickup grill. Somebody local traded me some parts that they needed for a car to get on the road, and they traded me this grill and some other stuff. Haven't gotten a chance to hang it up, so I thought it would be really cool to share the love and give you guys the first place winner this grill. So you're getting like a ton of cool stuff. It's probably like, I don't know, it's probably like $800 worth of stuff or something there, which is pretty awesome. So it's just stuff we had laying around the shop. I wanted to give back to you guys that watch the channel and support us so much. So I thank you guys for everybody in the past year that has given us props, has given us suggestions for videos. We're trying to do more for 2020. Andrew's going to keep kicking butt on his tee, and hopefully have that thing at least moving by the end of next year. Maybe we'll be sitting in the tee doing this video next year. That'd be kind of cool.
Maybe we're doing a burnout in the tee.
Yes. So, yes, thank you guys. We hope to grow the channel much, much more. All I really want you guys, and I say it 1,000 million times, just share the channel with anybody you know. If you're at a swap meet, or you're at a car club meeting, or you're at a car show, and you meet somebody that you think would enjoy your channel, just share our channel, share it on social media, because the more you guys help us grow and get the views up on our channel, the more that we make that monetary money from the ads and stuff like that. And that's why we don't ever ask you for money, because the more views we get, the more money we can make, and that's how I can do it without begging you for money and panhandling. So we want to grow the channel and hopefully do more of this stuff and give back like we do. And who knows, maybe next year we'll be giving something even crazier, like a car or trip to Hershey, I don't know, something crazy. If we can grow the channel enough, I will do it. So that's all we have for this one. Again, reminder, if you want to be entered, comment down below with your favorite either video or project from 2019 that you like, and then also just comment, of course, that you're entering. So you're entering for the prize pack. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get all the names together from all the comments, put them in a bucket, and we're going to pick out names in the video that will launch on December 25th, Christmas. So we're going to launch at our normal time at 8 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Yeah.
Something like that.
Something like that. 7 a.m. I think it's 7 a.m. normally. So when we normally launch our video, we're going to launch that video and on December 25th of Christmas. So even if your kids aren't awake, watch the video, see if you want something cool. And then comment down below with your favorite project or episode and that you want to be entered for the prize. And we will pick it. And yeah, you guys can possibly win something cool. That's all I have, guys. Happy holidays. Thanks. Catch you later.